Toys better. What? The cars are better.
Sally, say hi. Lalabas ka rin sa YouTube niyan.
Kulang.
Ilalagay ko ang Sally to para lalabas ka din. Hi.
Paano kaya nagagawa? Initin.
Ay, ito yung may ano ito.
Wrestling.
Okay.
Wayne.
Ready. Yes.
Wayne, wrestling.
Okay, wait.
How about you wrestle your tita?
No. Okay, this can work.
Paano sa
What?
video ng
You have to
YouTube?
you have to look at the cars.
Okay. Tapos na yan. Okay na yan.
Stop.
Oh, okay na yan. Tapos i-close mo na.
I-click ko stop.
No, click mo okay.
Okay.
Yeah. And then, isara mo na yun. Click mo yung X sa taas. Yan. Ayun yung CD, oh. I-pull out mo na sa drive.
Ayaw mo,
I-close mo lang. I-click mo next. Then, i-click mo na X. Yan. Tapos,
Yes.
no. Ano ka na? Play mo na sa ano.
Makakapag-download na ako. Bibili na ako ng TV.
Wayne, how come you have so many small cars? Why don't you ask them to get you one big, huge car?
Okay.
Ito puro okay. Diba, hanggat may space ka sa memory card, hindi ito hihinto.
Ako may
Tamo ang natitira sa laki ng space.
binili ko.
58 minutes. Kahit nga pag may party, pwede ito gamitin.
Magagamit ka ng roaming?
Oo.
Ang muna ibenta.
Ano ka? Kailangan ko ng pandagdag dun sa Rogers na kukunin ko. Umorder na ako.
Friday?
Hindi naman mga 2 weeks siguro.
2 weeks pa pala. Babawiin na itong akin. Itong may roaming.
Dami naman itong laro. Ang maliliit.
Oo, din. Wala mo naman yan eh.
At least marunong siyang maglagay dun sa ganun.
Ano? Minsan yan eh.
Okay, how about you dance, Wayne?
No.
Come on, show your talent on YouTube.
Taekwondo.
You have to show the world.
For taekwondo.
How about taekwondo?
Okay. Do it again.
Ito, kaya mo.
Ah! Ah!
Buha ko na.
Ah! Ah!
Siya na ready na itong mang opak pag may nang
Ah! 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 Ah!
Wait, like this. Pattern.
So, doon kasali to. Ikaw ang
Ah!
ikaw ang ano, dal. Kumari ikaw ang kalaban.
Ah! 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 Ah!
Siyang mag...
Talagang
Ah!
may emotion.
Ah!
Oh, that's pattern.
Ay! 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 Ay!
Wala kinakapag-taekwondo.
Ay!
So why do I have to make that sound?
Tumbling na, tumbling.
Oh, you wrestle your tita. Come on.
No?
Pag manlantan lumaki siya, basag ulot. Ito yung alam kung paano mamali ng katawan ng...
Hindi mo lang kasama sa kondo. Hindi mo lang kasama sa kondo.
Ba't mo ko alam?
Wrestling. Wrestling na yan. Dance naman.
Okay, dance. Okay, singing.
Sing.
Come on!
No.
Come
For
on!
YouTube.
Sing, crank that.
No. Just make music on. There. A good one.
Miss Sally too. Oh, yeah.
Ilagay mo yan sa YouTube.
Of course. Kita ka doon. Yan, tawa naman, Miss Tisa na yan. After almost 2 years in Canada. Look at the skin.
Parang ang tangin dyan.
Could be some kind of facial model. And
With Wayne.
look at the hair. Could be a shampoo model too. What can you say about your tita?
I don't know.
Come on, say something.
I don't know.
You've been with her
Look
for
at
almost
me.
2 years. It's impossible you can say anything. Come on. Is she pretty? Is she pretty? Hey, come on. Is she pretty? Do you know that she has 6 kids? Do you know that she has
She has 3 kids.
No, 6. 3 from her husband
What
right
if she-
now.
What if she got 12? What if she got 12 kids?
No, she only has
No.
6.
Only 3.
3 from the current husband, and 3 from the first one.
No. Kuya Dentist.
We're done eating.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.